The present continuous.
Olivia is in her room. She is sitting at her desk. She is typing on her laptop. Mr. and Mrs. Clark are making dinner now. They like to cook together. Mrs. Clark is slicing the vegetables and her husband is frying the food.
What are you doing, Olivia?
I'm writing an email to my friend Amy.
Dinner is ready. Everyone is waiting for you.
I'm sending it now. I'm coming.
He is brushing his teeth. Olivia is lying on her bed. She is looking at some photos on her phone. Her parents are knocking at the door. They are opening the door.
Olivia, are you playing games on your phone?
No, I'm not. I'm just looking at some photos.
The present continuous.
How do we form the present continuous? Affirmative.
Subject. Plus. Be. Plus. Present participle. Plus. Object.
Andy is washing the car.
Conjugating the present continuous. Affirmative.
I am drinking water. You are drinking water. He is drinking water. She is drinking water. We are drinking water. They are drinking water.
Remember, we can contract subject pronouns with the verb be.
I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. She is. He's. She's. We are. We're. They are. There.
How do we form the present continuous? Negative.
Subject. Plus. Be. Plus. Not. Plus. Present participle. Plus. Object. I. Am. Not. Talking. To Hannah.
Conjugating the present continuous. Negative.
I'm not drinking water. You're not drinking water. He's not drinking water. She's not drinking water. We're not drinking water. They're not drinking water.
How do we form the present continuous? Interrogative.
Be. Plus. Subject. Plus. Present participle. Plus. Object. Are you doing a presentation?
Yes, I am.
Conjugating the present continuous. Interrogative.
Am I drinking water? Are you drinking water? Is he drinking water? Is she drinking water? Are we drinking water? Are they drinking water?
When do we use the present continuous? 1.
To describe something happening right now. The teacher is trying to teach the class. Andy is driving to work. Helen and Kate are talking.
She was like, oh my god, I know, it's like so hilarious.
2.
Something we think to be temporary.
John is working from the London office for 6 months.
6 months is a temporary period of time.
Craig is saving money to buy a new house.
Greg is saving money for a temporary period of time.
3.
Something that happens again and again.
Mary is always complaining.
We use the word always to emphasize that the action happens again and again.
Jessica is always working.
What are they doing? They are eating sandwiches. What are you doing? I am watching a video. What is he doing? He is clapping. What is she doing? She is drinking coffee. What is Sarah doing? Sarah is riding a bicycle. What is she doing? She is typing. What is she doing? She is calling her boyfriend. What is Sarah doing? Sarah is feeding the chickens. What is he doing? He is carrying a pumpkin. What are Josh and Sarah doing?
They are brushing their teeth.
What are they doing? They are exercising. What is Josh doing? Josh is riding a horse. What is he doing? He is mopping the floor.
What are you doing? It is 11 a.m. now. The daughter goes to the university and lives far away from her family. She calls her mother.
Hi, daughter.
Mommy, what are you doing now?
I am cooking lunch in the kitchen right now.
What is Daddy doing now?
He is watching soccer on television.
What is Grandmother doing now?
She is watering the tree.
What is Grandfather doing now?
He is reading newspaper and magazines.
What is Tommy doing now?
He is playing game himself. And you? My daughter, what are you doing at the present?
I am having lunch, Mommy.
Ah? Too soon. What are you eating now?
Only meat and vegetables, Mommy. I want to eat a delicious meal that you cook. Next week I will come back home.
Okay, my dear. We are always waiting for you. Ivy finished cooking now. We will have lunch.
Yes, Mommy. Wish you a delicious lunch. See you next week.
Yes, my lovely daughter. See you.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.